Hello everybody, it's Michelle with Unicorn Spit. Of course, you can find me at www.michelleNicoles.com and also unicornspit.com. I'm here today to show you how to take an average thing like a box of wine and turn it into something absolutely fabulous using this wooden blank. I'm going to be showing you a really wonderful little faux technique that I call Treasure Coast Patina. So follow along with me and let's drink some boxed wine in style.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there. We'll have a competition to see who can trap for longer, 'cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance into the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight shines. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. The lodge by the water's still my favorite place, and I could come every year and it wouldn't change. Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there. Have a competition to see who can trap for longer, 'cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance into the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight